you've got this shift happening in the economy, let's say from the attention economy. So it's clicks and likes and reshares. We're moving away from that metric, from that being what says something's a success, to what I call the intimacy economy. Intimacy in a very broad term. As AI makes things more personalized, and as search moves from how do you show up on Google to how is an LLM going to rate you and how are you showing up there, this is becoming a lot more personalized, a lot more intimate, and it's becoming clearer. I run a WhatsApp channel with about 2,000 people, and in it, sometimes I have conversations with folks. And one of the people that messaged me this morning, we were talking about AI and recruiting, and he wrote something to me this morning, which I'm going to read here briefly. It's funny that most of the recruiters that have called me during this aggressive job search, so he's doing a job search, after the interview, I asked them, "How did you find me?" And they'll say, "I asked the AI and it led me to your contact." And I said, well, then I went into a whole conversation about how does this happen? How did the recruiter, like, what were they prompting? Like, of course, I go down this rabbit hole. But that to me is a signal of we're moving away from this, like, links and clicks and shares to something that seems a lot more personal, more intimate. And intimate is a broad word, right? But I think that there is a shift happening there. And as companies start to think about AI agents, as they start to think about spatial computing even, right? When the world becomes the canvas, but also becomes real estate, right? We're moving into a much more personalized experience of computing and much more intimate in some ways. So I think the data is going to start to show that.